my gosh. Like, I can't even fully show you, but my full shirt is like covered in this hair mask. Like, this is just the top half.
Some black girl magic, baby hair on fleek, blue cheese on me, lot of lights on me. Black girl magic, baby hair on fleek, all these lights on me. Black girl magic, yeah, 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 yeah. Got that black girl magic.
What's up, y'all? It's your girl Tiyonna B. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm gonna be putting this Aztec, Bentonite clay, whatever you want to call it, mask on my hair. So I got my hair straightened back in December, like the first week, and as you can see, it's still straightened. It's January 7th today, so I'm trying to do like a really good deep detox, like a really good cleanse on my hair. Because first of all, my hair is dirty, it's dry, it's like, it's a hot mess, and I didn't want to do like a regular wash because, like I said, I feel like I need like a really good deep cleanse. And I've done this before, maybe like in 2017, but that was before like I really understood my natural hair. And I remember it made my hair like really soft. It made like my curls pop more. It made like my color like rich, if that makes sense. Like my hair was like a deeper, darker color or whatever. So if you don't know what I'm talking about this. I've used it on my face like plenty of times for like a deep cleanse on my face to kind of clean out my pores. This is only the second time I'm using it on my hair, and some of the benefits are it gets rid of dandruff, aids in hair growth, protects from infections, adds shine to your hair. But yeah, let's just get right into this. So I'm just going to start by combing my hair out a little bit because it's actually really nappy. And then I'm going to section it off so it'll be easier for me to do. Y'all can probably see my dandruff, but oh well, it's going to get taken care of. So this is my section. Okay, so first of all, since my hair is not wet and I'm starting with my hair straightened, I have a full spray bottle of water. So I'm going to spray that before I add it on. And I have this little bowl. I'm going to use this popsicle stick to mix it because you don't want to use anything metal, because I can't remember exactly why, but I think when you use something metal, it doesn't, like the chemical reaction that happens, it doesn't work properly or something like that. Then of course your apple cider vinegar. I've had this for literally like 3 years. Not done with it yet. Okay, so first I'm going to add a lot because I'm doing my whole head and I really have a lot of hair, so yeah, I'm gonna need some more. So this is how much I'm starting off with. If I need some more, I'm just gonna add it in. And make sure your apple cider vinegar has the mother in it. Just gonna shake it up. I see little bubbles popping. Let me put this down. It really stinks, but I'm used to it. I'm trying to spill it, but see how it kind of bubble up and you can kind of hear the noise. I'm gonna mix this in. You don't want it too thick because it's gonna be harder to work through your hair. So I know I look crazy, but I ended up adding more of the apple cider vinegar and the clay mask because I didn't want to I know I was going to need more in general, so I just went ahead and made a lot now. But try not to make it spill out. So it still has some type of texture, but it's not too thick. Okay, then I'm just going to saturate my hair with water because you don't want to apply this to your hair when it's dry. So here it is. I really should have put like some type of towel or something under me, because I'm really just making a whole mess on the floor. And my hair is going to start reverting back, but it's going to take some time. Because like I said, I'm starting with straight hair. I just didn't want to wash my hair. Well, not wash my, I don't want to fully wet my hair. Then it's all tangled and hard for me to like section off. You do not want this to dry on your hair, because then it's going to be so much harder to take out. Okay, so I finished the back section. My hair is starting to curl up now, you can see. And I used like almost this, well, I used like half of this water bottle from spraying my hair. And I'm also spraying this, I don't want it to get dry. Because once I'm done, I'm just going to put like a plastic bag over it and let it sit for a little bit. And I can see, look at my shirt. And the floor looks 10 times worse. But the curl is starting to pop out. Oh, the dandruff is real. And I would say don't start with your hair straightened and dry. Like I really should just like wet my hair first. So it would have made this so much easier. Because with this clay on my hair, like when I'm touching my hair, it just feels dry and like I'm pulling it. But the front of my hair is always much easier to do than the back. So I'm just gonna wet this whole section first. I need to get one of them spray bottles that like, it goes, I don't know what it's called, but it's the fancy ones. Don't forget your edge. I know with mine, like mine are dry. And I also get like pimples in my hairline, like right along here. So I'm gonna make sure I work it into my edges too. So I'm finally done. It's giving length. The front part hasn't fully reverted back to curly, but as you can see, well, I have it on a black shirt, so it's kind of hard to tell, but here's how the back is looking. I cleaned this bowl out. Like no strand of hair will go unmasked. I made sure I got my edges. But yeah, it's looking good so far. But look at the mess. I'm about to cover my hair with a plastic bag and leave it on for maybe like 30 minutes, just enough for it to kind of like really work. I don't want to let it dry. That's why I'm putting the plastic bag over it, just to try to like trap in the moisture. But I'm gonna, yeah, I'm probably just gonna have to watch like an episode of The Masked Singer and then get in the shower and wash this out. So I will come back to y'all once my hair is fully washed. Well, once the mask is fully washed out of my hair, then I'll show you guys my results. Y'all, I am shook. Like I just finished washing my hair, and like put on some clothes, whatever. But this is no product in my hair. Like, look at these curls. And I'm gonna insert a picture, well, I think it's like a picture or video of the last time I washed my hair, which was right before I got it straightened. And you can tell like there's like a really big difference. Like I could actually like just walk in the house with my hair like this. Like I feel like this is like a real wash and go. Like I try not to mess with my hair too much because I didn't want the curls to come apart. But it is like a little frizzy. But look at that. I think I'm really gonna start doing this like once every maybe like 3 to 6 months. Like my hair feels like so soft. It's really good curls in the back for me. Like normally with my hair, when I wash my hair, like I may see like a few curls like here and there, but never like all over. Like I'll be perfectly fine wearing my hair like this. I'm just going out. I know my hair is probably gonna shrink up, but I can see my length a lot more. Look at that. No product at all, like not even an ounce of oil. I for sure gotta start doing this more. Look at this one though. Curls is popping. I definitely recommend this. I give like a 10 out of 10. It is messy, but it's worth it. Like my scalp is like so clean, like I don't feel anything on there. My hair is soft, bouncy. It definitely defined my curls a lot more than what it normally would be after I wash my hair. Comment down below if you ever done this before and what were your results and like how did you like it? Cause I want to hear from y'all. I'll be forgetting to ask y'all questions when I'm recording because I just be like in my zone, but I definitely want to hear from y'all. Like if you tried this before, like let me know how it worked out for you. Look at that. I don't know what to do with myself. I mean, I'm still about to put my hair back in some little plaits, but yeah, I'm for sure going to do this more often throughout the year. Maybe like twice a year, not too much because it did, like, I made a big mess. Like my floor is covered in the clay mask. My shirt that I had on is for sure covered in a clay mask. And it did take me a while to wash out. It was more so like this section because it's hard for me to wash out this area, but it wasn't too bad. But that's all for this video. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe and turn on your post notifications, and I will see you guys in the next video.